Hello everyone, I'm Thomas. Everything is in the name. It's Rail with AI. So I spend all my life in giving my expertise to data and analytics. And we decided with my partners to focus on a specific industry and try to promote a more efficient transportation mode and try to promote rail instead of air or road. The problem is that in the rail, most of European and in the world, rail infrastructure is very aging. So in average, it's 30 years old. So, for example, in Europe, we have more than 10% of trains late or cancelled. And 45% of the time is due to the non-availability of the rail infrastructure. But the contrast is that all the operators have a lot of sensors on the rail, on the ballast, on the catenary, on signaling, on traffic, etc. But everything is done, and every analytics is done through a silo. And as Daniel said just before, having an analytics on silo is not efficient. So we decided to promote a 360 view of data analytics in the rail infrastructure. What we propose is to decrease by 30% the unavailability of rail infrastructure and reduce the maintenance cost by 15% for all operators of maintenance. What we decided to provide is a 360 view of analytics. So we try to swallow every data coming from all sensors on the rail, to crunch everything, to clean everything, to put some AI model on this, and to provide dashboards and analytics to all the maintenance operators to be more efficient and try to shift a maintenance mode, which was in the past to be just reactive and go to repair on the rail an eventual incident that blocks the train, to a predictive mode and go on the infrastructure before an incident is coming to be able to let the train go and having people very happy because at the European scale, it's 6 billion euros in financial cost and social cost to not having the train on time or cancelled. So the next plan is to have more customers. We already have one in France, one in Spain. We have some contacts in North America with metro and tramways. And we have a pipeline, it's a pipeline of 2 million euros in the coming 18 months. And we are raising funds around 4 or 5 million euros beginning of 2024. So if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.
These 50 startups are going to get visibility and support. And then the top 10 will have even more support, even more services. Top 10 will have access to funding, equity, free of charge acceleration program and live demo and access to VCs and CVCs. And last but not least, a demo day for the top 50. That's why I was saying it's important to be in the top 50, not only in the top 10.